Good morning everyone. Welcome to our class. Today we learn about English alphabet, how to write in ordinal number, Okay, children. We know this English alphabet is A to Z. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. You depend on this. You fill this blanks. Okay. First letter is, what is the first letter, Amma? In alphabetical, A. So you should fill here A. Next one, Amma. A seventh letter is, what is the seventh letter, Amma? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is the seventh letter? A G. You get it? A G. You write here a G. And next one, Amma. He is the dash letter. He is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. What is the? He is the fifth letter. What is that? He is the fifth letter. I write down here fifth. Like this, we are all adding TH. We are all adding. What is that, Amma? TH. Fifth letter. Okay. Now next one. Last letter is. What is the last letter, Amma? You know what is the last letter? Z. Z is the last letter. Now next one, Amma. C is the dash letter. C is the dash letter. First, second, third. What is the C? C is the third letter. Should write here third. C is the third letter. Okay, children. So please copy in your classwork, Amma. Still here. Remaining is there. This is fill up in your test book. Okay, this is copy in your classwork, Amma, and do in your test book. This is your homework and post it. Okay, children. First, write down this, Amma. Next, I will explain jumping. About jumping here. Here getting one example. I will explain now. Please copy this, Amma, first. Okay, I will repeat, children. We know first alphabet, what is the first, second, third letter, fourth letter and like that. And for what is the seventh letter and what is the E is the fifth letter, last letter is Z, C is the third letter. Now next one, Amma. Here getting one word. What is that word? Jumping. Okay, children. What is this letter? Jumping. You must should fill this. Fill in the blanks. Now first one here getting. J is the first letter. That is over, Amma. Next let's see the dash. In dash now. In dash, fourth is you get. Fourth letter is. Now you should fill here. What is that? Now next. M is the dash letter. Now next. I is the dash letter. Now next one, Amma. Dash is the second letter. Now last letter is okay. Look at this, Amma. Now next one. N is the dash letter. Now tell me, children. Look at that word. What is that? Jumping. Now the fourth letter is what, Amma? First, second, third and fourth. Fourth letter is what? P. Now next one, Amma. M is dash letter. What is the M is? First, second and third. Third letter is M. M is the third letter. Now next one. I is dash letter. I is dash letter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth letter. I is the fifth letter. Now next, dash is second letter. Which one is the second letter? J is the first letter, U is the second letter. You should fill U. Now next, last letter is, what is the last letter, ma? G. You should write here a J. Now next, N is the dash letter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth is the, N is the sixth letter. Okay, children, please copy in your classwork, amma, and also do in your test book also. What is the today homework? And you are filling in your test book this bit and this bit also. Okay, this is fill up in your test book. First of all, please copy in your classwork. Then after, write in your test book. We can understand what is the ordinal numbers. No, we can understand, children, what is the ordinal number, first, second, up to 10th, like that. That is called as ordinal numbers. We are adding only th. In we are using numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. But here in ordinal numbers, we are adding th. First, for example, first st, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, th, or some suffix are adding. Okay, that is the ordinal number. Some suffix are adding. Okay, children. Thank you, Amma. Bye.